Everybody, it is Thursday, April 30th. A couple things for today. Yesterday, you guys did the Edpuzzle that was connected to the CK12 reading we did on pea plants with Gregor Mendel. I hope that you guys learned a little bit from that. It looks like your grades were pretty good as you guys were moving through those questions. A couple things that I want to make sure that I kind of recap or reiterate. When you guys were doing the pea plant activity reading, and there were two assignments assigned. You had to read and complete the review questions, and then you had to click this little green button at the bottom that said view practice. So I'm going to go ahead and show that to you really fast. When you were on the reading, and if you attended the Zoom, we did the reading together, and then you had to do these 4 review questions, which we did together if you were on Zoom. If not, you did these on a document that I connected to your Google Classroom assignment. Okay. The other thing that you needed to do was this little green button that's right here that says view practice. It makes you answer 10 questions before you can finally be done. Now, some of you did it, but you didn't hit the turn in button. If you don't hit the turn in button, I don't see your score and it looks to me like you didn't do it. So, if everybody today could take a couple seconds or a couple minutes, go back into CK12 assignment, do the view practice if you haven't, and if you already have, click on it and hit the turn in button, and then I will see your score and be able to update your scores. Okay, so please make sure that you do that today. But the assignment for today is just kind of a recap of everything that you guys have been doing this week. So you are going to be opening up a slideshow. It looks like this. It's an interactive slideshow. So some of the slides are notes and some of the slides are questions that you need to answer. Gregor Mendel and an introduction to genetics. So as you move through, it's going to ask you to do certain things. So it says in this text box below, describe why you don't look like an elephant. So explain that. Why don't we look like an elephant? Agree or disagree. You're going to type your answers in these blank spaces. So a little text box will pop up when you click on it, and then you type in your answer there. Okay. Some of these are notes. I highly suggest that you take a few minutes and jot down some of these notes because it's going to be very important that you understand some of these terms, and we're going to use them throughout the whole unit. So it could be very beneficial for you. Again, you're going to type, there is one that's down here where you're going to move the dot to the right answer. And then another one looks like this, where you will be moving these words into the correct blanks on the space. So when you are finished, you're going to go ahead and turn this in. I'll grade it. Obviously, you'll always have it there for notes, but sometimes it's nice to write things down. If you guys are at school, I would have you write them down. Okay, so that's what you guys are doing today. Just make sure that you go into CK12, do that view practice. Make sure that if you were at the Zoom meeting that you typed in, attended Zoom meeting on the doc that was attached for the review questions. And if you guys have any questions or you're still confused or you need help, please reach out and let me know. I'm here to help you and I can walk you through that. All right? I hope you guys have an awesome day. Get outside. It's beautiful outside.